Looking for the best auto body shop in the Georgetown, Texas Serenada area? If you are searching for an auto body shop in Georgetown Serenada area, you have probably been in a wreck. Accidents can occur quick and you'd never know what hit you. I am referring to what literally hit you. It will leave your head with a lot of questions, whether you need a full dent repair or just a quick repair for a minor scratch in the paint. Everything boils down to one question, though: where do I start? Watch this auto body shop video in Serenada. These services are done locally but could be found online. Apart from fixing the visible damage, the companies also provide numerous other repair services. When you choose a provider, the work is done and you get back on the road. Body Repair Service Estimate near Georgetown Serenada. To help you easily compute repair costs, your insurance provider may offer an online estimator that will only require you to go into some info about your automobile before you can view the precise insurance coverage. Body Repair Service Insurance Coverage. Review your accident repair contract and know the precise coverage of the insurance. Prepare funds for repair services that are not specified in the policy. Body Repair Service Equipment. High-tech equipment is now offered at automobile repair shops, like the laser measuring system. This system ensures that the repair is done precisely. Body Repair Service Technicians. Many a times, automobile accidents involve more than mere external damage. The wheels get demolished, radiators crushed, exhaust bent and more. You should also get the transmission and alignment inspected. The best mechanic in the right shop ensure your car is as good as new before returning it to you. Body Repair Service near my house. Certainly, the most essential element here is your personal safety. It's reasonable if people want to scrimp with the costs for minor car repairs, but nothing must be more crucial than your own security. Remember, it's better to have no automobile at all than to drive one which presents a major danger to your life, and even to your families. The best auto body shop near you will ensure you are safe. Car, truck, SUV parts. There are numerous dangers you face with a substandard car repair. Accident repairs will be costly, but don't let this overwhelm you. With all the dangers involved with inexpensive and unprofessional repair, the smarter choice will always be to have your car repaired and restored at a credible and insurance company approved pre-owned automobile accident center who carries a number of the parts needed to fix damaged automobiles. Require the highest quality car painting in auto body shops. Most common repair job is painting or repainting automobile. Even a easy scratch can make your automobile look unappealing. Some automobile repair shops already utilize an electronic paint matching system that guarantees the new paint on your car match up with your old paint perfectly. With terrific automobile body repair shops around, there is no need to fret where and how you will have your car fixed after an accident. Armed with high-tech equipments nowadays, you can guarantee that your car will be repaired quickly and flawlessly. Because of the many services they provide, you only need to send your car to one place for repair. Collision repair shops usually can replace glass. You will probably have to have your windshield replaced and other windows. Don't drive around with a broken front windshield. Get it taken care of as part of your claim if it occurred in the accident. Be sure to take care of scratches before you leave. Getting scratches fixed can be major or minor repairs. Some are small and damage the integrity of your paint job. Others can be big gouges in the metal. In either case, you will want a terrific automobile body man to make things right again. Take care of those dents. In some instances, dents can be repaired by filling rather than pulling. When the R is filled, it is sealed and primed, frequently without having to paint. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.